The skin of your face needs the most pampering. Shedding skin cells and regenerating new ones are a natural process which occur on a daily basis. However, with age, the rejuvenation process slows down. This is when face packs are required. The market offers a plethora of face packs. However, those products fail to provide lasting impact, unlike the ones given by natural face packs. From a number of natural ingredients which can be used in face packs, there is one hidden gem that you might never have considered before. It's wheat. Various studies have found that wheat has many vitamins and nutrients in abundance. When one applies it topically on the face, blended with other natural ingredients, wheat flour guards the skin, as well as helps in the regeneration of the skin cells. It works wonders when it comes to skin whitening and lightening dark spots. Well, today I'm gonna share with you this magic mask that will give you glowing skin naturally. All we need here is 2 to 3 teaspoons yogurt and 1 teaspoon of wheat flour. In a bowl, mix all ingredients together. And before applying this mask, wash your face and pat it dry. Now apply this pack evenly. Let it dry and rinse with warm water. Try it once a week for best results. Regular use of this would help in fading the dark spots as well as aid in skin whitening. The skin tone is largely dependent on a pigment known as melanin due to few internal as well as external reasons. At times there is an overproduction of melanin, as a result of which your skin gets dark spots. This remedy fades those brown spots and make your skin glow. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe and share with your friend, and thank you so much for watching.